So these are some of the questions we've been getting about the middle class tax refund. Is it taxable or not? And do you claim money that you don't even have yet? KCRA 3 has been pressing the IRS and many others for weeks trying to get you those answers.
We are making progress, and the IRS tells us they are aware of the issue. KCRA 3 Investigates Brittany Johnson joins us with some insight. You've been following this for months now, Brittany.
For months, and we are finally making some headway
Yay.
here today. So we have some news to pass along. Our team has been emailing and calling the IRS for several weeks. Today, the IRS sent us a statement basically saying, if there is uncertainty about your middle class tax refund, wait to file until they issue guidance. Here are the scenarios people are facing. One, there are some people who have yet to receive their middle class tax refund, but have received a 1099 to report miscellaneous income. And two, people who have received a middle class tax refund on a debit card, but didn't get to use it because the money was drained from their debit card. They're also receiving 1099 forms. Now, this means people are being taxed on money they have not received or have lost due to fraud. They want to know how they should report income that's so far non-existent, or should they wait to file any income they receive in 2023?
I said to myself, you know, this is crazy. I'm not going to claim that I got $700 when I didn't and have to pay taxes on it. So, you know, that just didn't make sense to me.
Brittany, I think one of the things that's driving people crazy is the question of whether this money is even taxable or not. It seems like this should be a straightforward answer.
And it's not, unfortunately. That is the big problem here. We're getting mixed messages. Yeah. You know, the Franchise Tax Board, they have told us that this is not taxable at the state level for California's state returns, but it said the payment may be considered federal income. So here's the problem. The IRS writes the tax code, so the final word comes from them, no one else. A statement from the IRS emailed to KCRA says in part, there are a variety of state programs that distributed these payments in 2022, and the rules surrounding them are complex. We expect to provide additional clarity for as many states and taxpayers as possible next week. It goes on to say, for taxpayers and tax preparers with questions, the best course of action is to wait for additional clarification on state payments rather than calling the IRS. We also do not recommend amending a previously filed 2022 return. So about 20 states are in the same position here as California, and the IRS says it does expect to provide additional clarity sometime next week. So at least we're getting some answers right now, kind of.
And
we're
a timeline.
A timeline. So we just have to stay on top of this. And next week, believe we will be calling every single day and emailing the IRS every day for some answers.
Got it yet?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, thank you, Brittany.
All right, thank you.
And then again, last night, Brittany introduced us to the company in charge of getting these refunds. That's a whole other issue. You can watch Brittany's report on the Money Network right now on the KCRA 3 app.